Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be i9-12900K along with 3070 Ti. We are using DDR5 RAM in this PC and the cabinet is very special. This is 690 Air from Esports. So let's just go ahead and begin with the parts which we're gonna use in this build. All the product links are mentioned in the description box below. Both Amazon and our website links are mentioned there. So go ahead and check the latest price for the components. So let's begin with the PC parts now. For the processor, we have got i9-12900K. For the motherboard, we have got Asus ROG Strix Z690F Gaming Wi-Fi. For the RAM, we are using XPG 6000 MHz 16GB. This is DDR5. We will be adding another one stick later. And for now it is only 16GB. 16GB would be added shortly. For the SSD, we have got SN770 1TB. For more storage, we will be adding WD 4TB hard drive. For the cooler, we have got Deepcool L360 ARGB. For power supply, we have got Deepcool 750 Gold. For the graphic card, we are going with MSI Gaming X Trio. This is 3070 Ti. And for the cabinet, we have got Esports 690 Air. This is around 6,000 rupees and this is pretty decent case, I would say. Only the Type-C is missing on the top. Rest, this build quality is fine, and this is metal with 3 fans pre-installed, and this is what we have for the build. Let's just go ahead and begin the PC build now.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
Alright, so we're done with the PC build. PC is working fine. We will be testing it for a few hours and then it would be ready to ship. A few things about the cabinet. It is a fabulous cabinet. 2 things to keep in mind. Type-C is not there, and the front panel, if you pull it little bit, it will come off. It is magnetic, and which is very good in design. So just to make sure, if you don't like such kind of thing which should come out with an easy pull, then do consider that fact. This is a very spacious cabinet. The cable management was awesome, and there is a remote to control the RGB, or you can control it via the motherboard. And yes, the liquid cooler which is mounted on the top 360mm, that has also been synchronized with the remote. So with a click of remote you can definitely change it. So that's about the video. All the product links are mentioned in the description box below. Go ahead and check them out. techmartunbox.com links and Amazon links. Both the links are there, so you can compare the price and you can order from Amazon or our website techmartunbox.com, which is quite cheaper compared to anywhere. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment box below, or you can contact us on our website. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.